Sorry, we had technical difficulties there. Right, you should see here that the tip of the tooth should be between two little notches in the opto interrupter. That basically switches it on and off. So when I press onto the pedal, you'll see that it will open up that gap, the light can go through, and then in this black rectangle that will switch it on and off. So just making sure that it's like that. Now I've got my assembly for the top ready. I'll just put that out of the way. Right, now we will put the two halves together. So I'll take the lower housing, this little rubber pad, okay, just goes kind of down here. That's to stop the bottom of the power board from touching the housing, which isn't necessarily what you want. Okay, so, and you can see here I've got these 4 flat black washers that I've sent you guys. Okay, now I'm going to put the flat black plastic washers at the edges of the jacks, okay, like that, and then hold the power jacks, and then holding the battery snap wires flat, run them in the channel that's down the side of the black rubber pad. You can see there's a channel at the side of the rubber pad. The wires will go in that flat, and then move the whole lot up, and then align the jack hole with the housing at the side. Nice and easy. Now you've got these sockets here. You just whack them on. And one on the other side. Put the washer for this one is half round, so make sure that the round side is on the same side as the socket, not on the side of the housing. Okay, and then we've got the upper and lower housing mounted now with the circuit board. I'll put in a battery that goes off to the customer for testing. Just goes in like that. There we go. Okay. Now at this point, I won't be screwing the body together because it will go off for testing. But what I'm going to do, and I won't put the knobs on at this point until it's past testing, because if it dies, then we don't want to waste the housing. We'll take out the circuit board and put in another one. But let's pretend that this one has passed testing. So at this stage, in its form now, I would put them in for testing, 50 or so of them, but I'm not going to do that. So I would mount the knobs on here. There's my Allen key. I would normally use an ice cream stick, the thickness of a popsicle stick, to just set the height of them so that they're all the same height, but I haven't got one here, but you get the idea. Just make sure that they're not touching the body. Like that, okay, and then I'll set them all to the center for the customer. And then I've got these bottom mounting screws. Actually, there's 2 missing from this one. I don't know where they went. But never mind, you've got thousands of these. Hey, look at this, point of the camera here. But you've got thousands of these, so basically that would be the finished product. And of course we would stick the rubber on there at the end when it's past testing. All right, good luck guys.